moving. And the house is a mess. Look at that. And they're really sleeping. And I need time to get up. And I'm thinking I should go pour some ice water on him. This is my biggest trick right now. That box has probably a pairs of heels. And these, well, they're really saying it cannot hold because we're not using a new haul this time. We're going to be donating furniture or selling some stuff or whatever. Yo, guys, look at all this. I don't know when we're going to finish. I can't tell you how long we've been packing. Look at the kitchen. It's just a hot mess. Like, everything is a hot mess. Hopefully we finish today.
Yes, people. It's a mess up in this place. Of course, Tash, you don't know so show you already.
With our who?
We're packing up to relocate.
Where buffalo water?
Finish. We're gonna fry some dumplings. Tash, you want love our fried dumplings, eh?
Not that alone, I love.
But something more, no, something more than fried dumpling. We can't talk about that right now. Maybe we can put some cornmeal in there. Put some cornmeal in there.
Oh.
Them flour dumpling are good for balls.
Babe.
If you strong it up.
You did tape up some cornmeal, but I don't know where you put it. Hold this.
Everything we do together. You open the cornmeal.
Together. Babe, you know me can't bother the bag of cornmeal in our dumpling.
Yo, you have to make proper dumpling, man.
What's up, Jarville?
Make your dumpling them nice.
Oh my goodness.
Cause I love toast flour dumplings, eh?
So what?
You have to put a little sugar in there?
Sugar in there already.
Okay. I will teach her these things, you know.
Teach me what? You don't even know if I make dumpling.
You put baking powder?
Yes, Derville. Stop acting like you know how to make
bread. Now if you check, make sure everything right, isn't it?
Why? Okay, bossy. You know what purpose they're good for except for eat.
Everything has to be right.
Except for eat, babe. That's all you're good for.
You see? This is how you knead. You have to knead it with your hand. You know, long fingernail and spoon thing, isn't it?
May I do my nails this weekend?
Well, them dumpling first.
My nails needs to be done, babe. May I add, girl?
Yeah, when she done that now, we'll show you when she put them in the finished product. I'm going about in the business. So Tash is checking our lovely baked chicken. Can't wait. Dinner. Because he's using her apparatus. I don't know what that name. Show them this thing, babe.
What this?
What is this? I don't know what this is.
Apparatus.
It's an apparatus to suck up the gravy and moisturize the chicken. It works, you know. I don't remember my name. Sorry guys, I don't remember my name. But that's in the oven. On top of the stove, Tasha's famous fried dumplings. I love them. Alright, and she's turning them to make sure they're frying evenly. And when she's done, we just...
They're
Yeah. Don't hate. Try it at home.
So babe, I go
And some scrambled eggs.
whip up some eggs to go with the fried dumpling.
Let's put some scotch bonnet pepper, some salt, and some onion in this.
Get them, chef.
And just
Iron chef to your thing. We're gonna try to finish everything so we have all this food for pack up. Transferring a little of the oil that we use to fry the dumpling.
There's a little oil there.
The dumpling just dropped. The dumpling just dropped. Babe, pick it up. 1, 2, 3, 4. What does that mean? You're such an idiot. Which 5-second rule? The place is a mess, look there. The floor wants sweep, all this junk, and look at him. For one dumpling. Greedy like.
So here we are. Scrambled eggs are done.
Fried dumplings are done.
Fried dumplings are done.
It's going down.
It's going down.
So, we're still packing, but dinner finished. So, we're just showing you what the dinner look like. Oven jerk chicken with Alfredo pasta. And it's going down, down, down. Hey guys, so today's a moving day. And I packed. Well, I tried. But Derville is over there repacking everything because them can't hold, and I had to send my shoes go somewhere else so somebody else could bring it because them can't hold. Hopefully this repacking will work and all those things we will be able to fit in there. We shall see how it goes. We're getting somewhere, look. We are getting somewhere. We're getting somewhere, guys. Almost there. We did it, guys. Every single thing made it in. Even George, guys. And Derville say I should have put George in the trash. Even George. George, why you look so? George, you're on camera. Say hi. Is he a cutie? Babe, can we close? That's the ultimate test. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Babe, good job. High five. Teamwork. It fit? All this brother you need is an ear pocket. He has stuff more things. We literally were about to drive out. Was about to drive out. I think that you should drive with either your foot or babe. You know, listen to me, you know. Babe, don't put it around there. Put it at your foot, brother. I don't know, video cassette, you don't want to damage your box. Let's see if we can close again. Nothing else, because one next ear pocket here. You know you love ear pocket. That not close. Alright.
Yo! Look at loaded.
Loaded, guys.
If you want to pack a Hyundai Tucson, call me.
Call me.
If you want to pack your life, you don't want a small SUV, call me.
Contract.
God is good still.
Make
All
sure not
glory
money.
to God still.
Now call me if you're not on the money.
Road.
Time to go. New city, new life, new job, new everything. Oh, food time, road time,
Take your time.
good times.
And take your time.
Take my time. Bye, Black Mountain. It's been real. Peace. See you in another life. So we are arriving, guys, at this is our new community. Just got here 5 hours later, babe. This is 5 hours later.
Just about.
Just about 5 hours later.
Continues for 1 kilometer.
So this is our new community. Today you're going to Auntie, you're always
Have
moving.
arrived.
Yes, ma'am. We have arrived. Not quite, but we're almost there. We are almost there. Yo, the street parking is ridiculous. Someone for park.
No driveway. Yo.
This street parking, it's gonna be an issue.
He's not here, sir. No,
What do you mean it's not here?
oh, what is it? He's here, sir. Yeah, here you go. Sorry.
Listen, man. That's a warrant on the corner like that. We are home. She's loving this way more than I am.
Perfect. On you, Isla.
Oh boy.
Oh, yeah. You carry that. Good job. Good job.
Look how cute she is, guys. This way. This way. Or you want to go play? This way.
Nora, come this way.
Should I? No. No, ma'am. Not
Nora, this
today.
way.
Let me help you with
Oh,
this.
no. This one's. Oh. No, this way now, please.
No.
Listen, once you're done, finish helping, I'll give you a treat. Come. Oh, you're right.
Look at her. Like, how the hell did we get all of that?
I was going half upstairs.
Yeah, into this space
So when you're packing, guys, put your groceries and small stuff
down there.
in here. That's a trick of it. All this was in a huge box.
This is crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. But God.
So when we arrived, our landlord left us this envelope.
And that's our
This is the
kid,
orchid.
which is awesome. So
It says,
pretty.
Home sweet home. Tasha and Daryl, welcome home. Please let us know if you need anything at all. And Marshall, Isla, and Nora. They're 2 kids, 2 daughters, lovely.
Lovely.
And then
Just know.
just now she brought some welcome snack. Look at
Isn't this
cashews,
awesome?
blueberries, strawberries, oranges, and yogurt.
She is literally like they're amazing. They are really amazing. And honestly, guys, with all of this, I just really give God thanks. We left a home today. Our last landlords, they were absolutely amazing. Rebecca and Scott, they were absolutely amazing, and their 2 daughters, again, they literally could just rent. It's an agreement and that's it. But no, they went all out. She didn't have to buy us an orchid. She did. At her last apartment, our landlord did a lot that they didn't have to do, but they did. It goes to show that if you do good without expecting good in return, just out of the goodness of your heart, it will come right back to you. Thanks for watching. Be blessed.